In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed on Chrome browser. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is go to the search and then search for Chrome flag. Then tap on enter. Then you are going to tap on the first link, Chrome/flag. Then you are going to copy this. Then copy. Then go back. Then go to the URL. Then you are going to paste it there. Then tap on enter. Then now you are going to go to the search flags and search for parallel downloading. Then you are going to see it there. So as you can see, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. So you are going to tap on the default drop down. Then you are going to see enable. So just select enable. Then relaunch. As you can see, parallel downloading has been enabled. So that's it. That's how to increase download speed on Google Chrome. If you found this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next.